To get the top off of this, it's actually very simple. 2 screws right here, Phillips head, and then you can't really see them, but in this crease, there's clips that you can press with a very thin screwdriver or scraper. Just show you real quick. It's usually about here, and if we get kind of close enough, you might be able to see it. Maybe I can do it with one hand. There we go. That's what you're looking for, that clip there. There's one on each side. There we go. Okay, now this top will pop right off.